Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and in this episode we are gonna be talking about the rally continue, crypto retrace. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Looking up the chat, I had it hidden. Now it's here. Awesome. El Producto and Kevin, have you seen my glasses? I've seen your glasses someday. One day, a long time ago. BL, how's it going? Thank you for being here, part of this awesome crypto community. Let's move on to the main screen. I gotta fix some stuff here in the window, mainly just make this larger. I knew this was gonna be an issue as soon as I've been working all day on regular work stuff, and then also my setup. So my setup today is different than the way I've had it. I rearranged my desk so everything's better. Now I'm farther back from the wall, farther forward from the wall. And actually had to push the desk, move a lot of stuff out of the way. I basically reorganized this area and everything in it. My tower used to be here on the side. Lowered it, it's now at the bottom, right, hanging from the desk. It's pretty sweet. So I have more space up here. And yeah, sir, that's it took me a little bit longer than expected to get everything ready for the stream. Let's go check out market cap and see what's happening here, right? Market cap starting to retrace a bit. Is it bad? Not necessarily. We did just break this area here, 2.05 trillion. It's not a bad move. Bitcoin's still below a trillion at 894 billion, and total market cap for all to us at 1.19 trillion dollars, right? So, Jake saying, Kevin, I guess you haven't seen your glasses either. There goes Jake with the puns. Where's the thing here, man? There we go. Jake made a funny one. It's all good. So we are pumping still in market cap. Nothing bearish. It's normal that we're going to start stagnate a bit before we continue. Again, we should be targeting, if we are to go for that measure move, we should be targeting 2.54. The road to 2.56, 2.54 trillion, sorry, 2.54 and change, 2.53, I guess. Let's, it's going to be, gonna have a lot of resistance on the way up there, right? So you're going to see how we keep on handling them. It's best if we retrace a bit. We take a chill day, and then we keep on running, right? So we rallied for like 4 days, took a red one, then we rallied for about 4 days also, and then we took another red one. Now we rallied for 4 days, and now we're taking another red so far. Seems like it's a pattern, right? Red for green, red for green, red for green, right? Now a red. Are we going to go red? Still too early to tell. I don't like the fact that we've just pulled back a lot, twice. This week was a lot of pullback. This week also getting quite a bit of pullback, more than the length of the body. I don't like that. That's showing weakness to some extent. Really wish we could keep rallying from here. Now we are starting to go down here on the on today's price, or tomorrow's opening for the market already. 0.85, man. Are we gonna recover from that? I think we're gonna stagnate for a bit. It's okay. We flag a little bit before we get continuation. So, kind of looking forward to that. Ooh, yeah, how's it going, man? Let's go check out Bitcoin, see how it's doing. By the way, guys, my printer, I think I'm gonna return it. I'm having a lot of issues printing properly. I think I either got a bad printer, or I'm tired of just messing around with the settings and trying to get it to where it's perfect. And I get it to where it's perfect, and then the bed's not longer leveled. It's just a nightmare to print with this printer. So I think I'm gonna send it back and get something new. I contacted the guys from Anycubic, see if I can get something better than this Elegoo that I have right now, and see if we can like work something out with them, I guess. Anyways, Bitcoin coming down, rejecting 47,338, right? Hey, Flags, how's it going, brother? Thank you very much for being here. How's the arts business coming along, man? How's the NFTs business going? So rejection, right? 47,000. Are we gonna break back above it? That'll be pretty sweet, actually, if we did. It gets to where we're going on this measure move, right? This measure move that we're looking for, that gets us all the way up here at 54,300, right? Now, this first move already hit. So this first move from the double bottom hit it, right, a couple days ago. Now we're going for that second move again. Like we said, we need to flag a little bit. We need to consolidate a little bit before we run again. And we'll see where it goes from there. Nothing on the bearishness, though, right? Bought at 68.24. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Let's go to that 4-hour chart and see what we have there. Okay, so we're coming higher. There's really nothing bearish here, right? We tried to rally. We tried to rally, and we failed on the rally, right? And on this rally here, failed to get higher than the previous high. So we're breaking down a bit. But on this breakdown that we're getting, we're starting to develop this hidden bullish divergence. Now, if you follow the stream, you know what this is going to do. For some reason, I don't have my Bollinger Bands out. There we go. All right, so we went down, hit that 20 moving average, and we're bouncing off it, right? Not a bad move. Again, hidden bullish divergence helping us hold. And that's what we have right now to try to hold the move here, right? There's really nothing else going on. No strong bullish, no other quirky patterns, nothing that I can say here. Some people might be saying double top there, but I mean, it's a small move, right? It's not really well defined. It's just like, yeah, we dipped a bit and then we try to recover quickly. We're not getting that nice dip that we should get with the tops and the bottoms, right? It's just like, whatever. So I consider this consolidation here. Not really that double top yet. We are holding on to a 20 again. Hidden divergence. We're going to try to pop, and we might try to get above that 47,000. But again, getting at least one day of sideways motion is probably going to be good for the market. Ethereum pumped quite a bit today, right? And a lot of alts were doing really good at some point in time until Bitcoin started to go down. Then everyone else started to go down with Bitcoin. But again, Bitcoin didn't close as high, and a lot of alts were doing extremely well. So, bullish divergence hidden, potential fraction to the upside, holding on to a 20, maybe sideways motion. We're okay so far. Let's go to that 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had the hidden divergence here. We tried to pop. We didn't get higher than the previous high. Therefore, continuation of the downside, right? And we're starting to move down. And on that moving down, we are creating... Oh, no. Look at this. It's bullish divergence strong. Oh, guys. Let's go trade. It's a strong bullish divergence. With that potential fraction to the upside, we're about to get it below the zero line. I think 1 or 2 more candles, and this... slow line is going to become, the signal line, the fast line is going to become a little bit down, and then the average of the 12 and 26 is going to cross over, and our MACD line is going to cross over that signal line, and that would be a pretty good entry. I think we're above that 200 moving average here on the daily, just so we can check it. 200 moving average is way below us, right? It's way down here. Well, not too far, but still farther. 44,500. I want to check this on the daily because we rejected it once. Are we rejecting it again? We rejected yesterday. We kind of rejected today. We didn't quite hit it spot on, but we are rejecting it. I mean, we do want to get above that 200. So it's going to be a strong resistance for us to get above. If we do, hello, bull market. You're back here. That's what we're waiting for. At least that's what I'll be waiting for, right? Doing good, though. Doing good. Crypto doing great. All right. Music's good. Go away, music. Not bad. Hope everyone's well. I think everyone's good, man. I think everything is good. Everything's good on my side. Oh no, what I typed. Here we go. Oh, we're trying to rally. Yeah, we're gonna go for 47,338. That's our target. All right. On the other chart, are we doing cruel stuff? Well, we kind of hold support there at 46,801. Next target to the upside again, 48,900s, and then 49,600s. We haven't hit either. So we're starting to move sideways. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Right? Anywho, let's go check out Ethereum. 3,368. What's up, Bora? How's it going? Ethereum, look at that. It hit a move. Oh, the wick today hit it. It was 3,483. That move's hit. So, and if we keep rallying, it's because following Bitcoin again, broke that line. We're going short-term bullish, just like Bitcoin did as well. And that's something that we talked about a while back. And ever since the double bottom was spotted, I said, look, if we break this line, we're going to go short-term bullish. And we started to go short-term bullish. And I said, if we break this neckline, then, we're looking for a measure move. And that's going to break us out of the triangle. Once we break out of the triangle, we're going to keep on trying to rally because now we have to go for that measure move of the triangle. I think that's where we're at right now. We're trying to go for that measure move of the triangle in Bitcoin. And that's going to help alts also rally, right? So, what else are we doing here? On the other side, we're bought at 70.61. Again, nothing bearish. So let's go to that 4 hour, man. Let's see what we have there. On the 4 hour, man, there's some bearish divergence. Oh no. It's just here on this move. I don't like it. It's a bad tune for the market, particularly if we have it on the 1 hour swell. It just tells us 2 time frames that we are looking for a movement down. Now we are moving down close to that 3,324 support. Hopefully we're going to hold there. Hopefully we hold at 20. Try to bounce. There's no hidden divergence here like we had with Bitcoin for potential movement up. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour. Ciao, Rebirth. What's up, man? Thank you very much for being here. So again, look at this, right? Bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside. Starting to move down. Not with a lot of strength though. Are we gonna have that hidden divergence here? I think we are gonna have that hidden divergence. I'm just gonna pre-draw this real quick. And I'm gonna go here and hunt for it. Yeah, look at that. Hidden bullish. Potential fraction to the upside. So if we start rally, 20 moving average is gonna be our target. That is at 3,411. And if we do pop above there, it's gonna be good. So here, neutral, 45.06. Howdy, Kevin. I just said howdy. These people, since I'm from Wyoming and people think I'm a cowboy. Lol. Howdy. Oh, howdy do, man. Right, let's keep rolling. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go check out, get a cowboy beard and mustache. He should have just grown like a horseshoe mustache, I guess. I'm checking. We don't have any on the pre-stream. All right, cool. Before I jump onto any other asset, I'm gonna go check out this one real quick because I'm wondering how Jorge Carranza did. He was looking at sandals, so sundial, right? At 75. All right, it dropped. Oh my goodness! I told him to get out yesterday. I told him to get out on Saturday. It's dropped more. Oh no! The pain. Well, why is it dropping, right? Because we've had a inverse head and shoulders. We got for a measure move. Not only did we go for that measure move, we also hit the percentage move on a rally that we're looking for upon breaking that neckline. So this move is done, man. This move is done for. Yeah, that retrace. That's where we're at here, man. On the 1 hour, look at that, man. It kind of sucks. Look at the pre-market. Look at the aftermarket. It was kind of trash, but look at the pre-market, man. It started to go down. You open on the red. And then still failed to recover throughout the day. Just flatlining. I don't think this is the end of it. Right? It is starting to develop some strong bullish divergence on this move. I think Jorge got out of this. But I have bullish divergence against the MACD. And it could try to lead to a rally, but we're not getting it here, right? So if we do rally, hit the 20 and reject again, we could be expecting more sell-off happening on sundial growers. I'm not sure if there's any other news that are coming out for this. Earnings came out, right? Earnings should have come out, yeah. Are they? When are they come out? Tomorrow, 29th, today. All right, they're estimated. They're not here. They're not public yet. So maybe tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what happens when the earnings come out. Right, so with that said, let's go and check out ADA at $1.17. Oh no, it's dropped from $1.21. What happened? Well, rejection of that zone. We don't have anything in the bearishness. Just overbought at 70.02. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. On the 4 hour chart, bearish divergence. Oh no, we dropped. Then we try to pump again. Guess what happened? More bearish divergence. Strong. Ooh. This really sucks, man. Bearish divergence strong and then more bearish divergence strong, right? Action and downside. Starting to drop, going for that 20, trying to hold support. That's where we're at. No hidden divergence. Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative momentum. Yeah, maybe against the RSI. So I think I went too fast there with the no divergence. But there's divergence here. There's hidden divergence against the RSI. And that could be part of the reason that we're trying to hold on to that 20. If we do hold on to that 20, expect to pop to $1.21. And then we're going to see if we get higher than the previous high here. So that's our targets. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart. Ooh, look at this. It's more or less moving sideways. And we are coming in. So we're creating that medium. That's where we're going to be at. Medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, sirs. If we do get this to trigger, then yeah, going for a 20 moving average is going to be at $1.20, and getting above there, we're going to be looking at $1.21, right? That is what we're looking for. Neutral, 43.18. Andrew, what's up? Do you think I should be in here? Hope y'all are having a good time. So that's what we're looking at right now here on ADA, right? All right, that's it. Let's go check out Sharpies. XRP stagnating, moving down. Oh no, what's happening? Oh, the pain. Well, we are where we want to be, right? Had our wick again coming to this level. We're starting to move down. Oh, we're going for the handle. We are going for the handle. It looks as though we want to go for that handle formation. And we're going with the wick, so I have to go from the wick there. And man, I don't know if I want to consider that wick there. It's too big. I'll feel comfortable considering a wick around here. That 50%, it's more or less where I left that. So yeah, I think I did this right the other day when I set this here. That bottom portion is hitting that 50% line smack on. So, yep. If we do drop, we just don't have to drop lower than 50% on the move from a high point to a low point, right? If we do start to drop lower than this line here, at 79.40, then I would consider that maybe this is the actual low that we should look at. Right now, I'm just trying to ignore it because it's a very weird data point. A lot of pullbacks, so a lot of rejection of lower areas of value. That's where the turnaround was. Very, very large wick. So we will see. Again, let's see if we make this handle portion, right? Prepare for worse. Would have loved to see you guys in Vegas. Sorry, that's false flexing. Would love to see you guys in Vegas. I'll get there one day. And then, remember horses? Trip number 2. And then he goes like that, but I guess like that. Trip number 2, a main jig will be there. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a pretty solid trip. Had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. I had a blast being there, man. It was really good stuff. Neutral at 59.88, right? That's where we're at here on XRP again. Waiting for the handle formation. Would not be weird if we see Bitcoin stagnate, XRP drop a bit, maybe when Bitcoin drops a bit, and then we get this going down a bit, and then we try to pump again, right? Yeah. Heard that before. Heard what before? Heard what before, precisely. Let's go here on HNT at $23. And 40 cents, just moving sideways, right? We are within this weird triangle we talked about. Not really getting a lot of trading action, right? Not getting a lot of trading action. All this tells me is that we got a re-anchor, reposition. That's it. Let's go to daily. Sorry, the 4 hour. Again, we had bearish divergence. We dropped. We're still higher than the previous low. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 43.18. Under 1 hour. Oh, damn. Here we're breaking that triangle structure. Again, ignore it here because this one is drawn on the daily, just coming through. That's fine. Not really worries about it. Here we have strong bullish divergence, and we had the potential for action to the upside. And look at that. It is mightily trying to push back and go for that 20 moving average at $23.99. Oh, Lord. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Sold at 39.70, right? That's where we're at. So again, price perceived to be lower. We're going to pump a bit. We shall see. We shall see. Let's go back to the corn. Oh, the Bitcoin. It bounces. It bounces. Again, strong bullish divergence coming in the 1 hour, right? So we're looking for a break above that. It's 47,338. If we do break above that target, man, see them like Donkey Kong? Well, kind of. Again, Bitcoin has just been bullishly pushing through, right? Not a lot of breaks on movements down. So we've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 days in the green, man. It's not good. It's not good. We're going to consolidate, right? We're trying to consolidate now, but we also need to get some reds. And like I said, market cap seems to be in a pattern. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 green, 1 red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 green, then 1 red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 green, and now it looks like we're getting a red, right? And again, I think we're overdue for a red candle. Nothing pumps forever, right? Nothing pumps forever. We got to get pullbacks. It's just normal. Kevin taking a break from crypto taxes. Yeah. Glad I don't have to worry about those. yet. I have to worry about those. I'm gonna be like, oh man, what am I gonna do with this? But don't you get taxed only on what you sell? If you don't sell them, you don't get taxed, right? I guess this is how it works. If you don't trade them, you don't get taxed. Only when you trade it does it count as a sale of the asset, and then you get taxed at, you know, whatever current value it has. Which kind of sucks, I guess, right? We'll see, man. Again, taxes are, you know, you gotta pay them. You should pay taxes on crypto. It's a sign that you are successful. And thanks to that success, you get taxed. That means you're doing good, because I want to dip the hands into your pockets. Into your pockets. All right, let's keep rolling. Oh man, what else are we gonna do? Gonna pop open a window real quick and make sure it's not gonna show up on this screen. I want to see something. I want to see if I get a reply. Didn't. All right, so let's go back to the screen. I emailed, like I said, I emailed Anycubic, which is a 3D printing company, and I asked them if I could test out one of their machines. The reason for that is I'm having a lot of problems printing with the Elegoo Neptune 2S. A lot of people say it's a solid one. I'm not sure if my unit is faulty or not. Every time I try to 3D print, I'm getting like weird lines. Nothing's aligned. Have to recalibrate the printer so often. Have to realign the bed so often. So I'm thinking like maybe there's something off. And it's just more of a pain in the butt than and a hassle than, you know, doing anything else. So I'm thinking I might just return the one I have and purchase one from Anycubic. I want to see if I can get one from them first so I can test it out. And then, you know, see if I do a real net or return it. And, you know, it's all in your settings, man. It's here's your learning curve. I know, but it's not on the software, though. Maybe it could. I mean, it could be the slicer. Like, I'm not sure if it's the belt, because the problem is happening at a height on the y-axis. So, you know, that tells me that you know, the Z is fine, the X is fine. It's just a Y that when it gets to a certain level, the Y starts to go off alignment. It's really weird, man. Soka's still doing a video from Vegas. I haven't sent him the files yet. I haven't even talked to Soka since I got back from Vegas. He's been really busy with work, so I need to talk to him, and then I need to Dropbox everything to him. But yes, he'll be doing a video from Vegas. I still have that on my phone. I need to download it today. I basically rearranged my setup. My tower used to be here, like I said earlier at the beginning of the screen. Now it's down here. It's actually on a mount on the desk, which is where it was supposed to be from the beginning. I just hadn't really had time to mount it. I had the mount. I installed it on this side initially, down here on the side. And I thought I was going to have the tower here, because then I could put a screen here and still work on it on like a different computer. And then I was thinking, maybe, you know, maybe the tower's gonna be better off here, and then, you know, I could still plug stuff in when I need to, because for the stream, like if the laptop for some reason doesn't work right or whatever, I can just unplug everything and plug it into the, you know, the tower and have it run. So yeah, I'm looking at this, and like I rearranged the desk. Basically I took everything off the desk and I put everything back in the desk, like monitors, everything. You know, I was sure to, like, you know, also, like, you know, dust everything off, because monitors, I rarely dust them. They're like really back there and I can't get behind, so I had to actually pull the desk forward. Took me a while, man. That's part of the reason I started late. I wasn't sure I was actually going to be on time to stream. It took me longer than expected to get everything done. Cable managed to some extent. There's still some stuff I need to put under the desk, like the power outlets, and you know, they're on top of the desk right now, but they're out of view. But I still need to mount them underneath, so I'm still working on some stuff out, and hopefully I'll get everything set up here tomorrow, and get everything better. So my desk's looking a lot cleaner, and with a lot more space, because, you know, the PC tower is no longer here on the side. It's just down there. I also put my, you know, phone mounts here on the side. So before I used to leave them on the desk, now you just can hang them there. So everything's good, man. Everything's looking really good here. and really spiffy on the new setup. Still same equipment, just different arrangement. So it's I think it's making it easier also, because the monitors, the way I had them, since my desk is like an L shape, I had the monitors in the corner. I had to bring them back quite a bit. So I was losing a lot of space in that corner. Now they're a little bit off to the side, and now I'm getting some space there in the corner. I can do other stuff. It's pretty good. Yeah, we already looked at that one, man. Have I tried a different slicer yet? No, I haven't. I still gotta find one. That is good. And you know, apparently Ultimaker Cura or whatever is supposed to be one of the first one, right? It's supposed to be one of the best ones. Sorry, out there, and it's free, and that's what I'm using. There's another one that's paid that I'm not sure how good it is, but a lot of the people that I see using this, they do it on Ultimaker Cura. So that's what I was using. I'm not sure if I should try a different slicer. I hope that is the issue. But again, it's just like I'm wasting so much filament. I already gone through our roll, and I cannot get anything to print the way I want it, right? So I'm figuring out whether or not I want to do that. So I'll check that one out, Idea Maker. I'll write it down here. And then we'll see how that goes. So, so sandal, right? Sandal growers. At 72.51. I dropped more. 6.81. Oh my goodness. I think it's more or less when I ask you. Again, I should move hit, breaking down, good stuff. Daily again. We did this one today, so some bullish average and strong developing, but it's not good enough because we haven't gone for that 20. See tomorrow on the pre-market, if we do get above the 20, we could try to rally a bit. If we don't get above that 20, we could still drop more. And I looked at the earnings and they weren't out, so I said maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure until when they had postponed them, but we shall see how it goes. Anyways, GME. What happened to it? I'm not sure. Hey, I didn't look at it. Oh, video, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. GME 179. Oh my goodness. What's happening with this? Oh wow, that's pretty wild. Alright, so a couple days ago I just went ballistics again. Was trading here around $70. And it just popped to 179 over like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 7 days, so a week and a half. It's starting to go down now. Right higher. Sold at 72.88. Alright, let's go. I mean, there's nothing here in the technicals. Here's some bearish divergence in the 4-hour. Bearish divergence strong, potential fraction of downside. Part of the reason that you're getting that movement down, but not the only reason why you should be moving down, I guess. That the move was wild. This wick was pre-market. That's just insane. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. That wick really looks weird. All right. It's a large wick in the pre. Is it pre-market? What time is it? 7. Yeah. So it's a pre-market, and then our market opening we're down, then we popped up, and then we came back down. So that's why we have that weird wick looking thing. And here, look at this, right? We're coming slightly higher, coming lower, and positive to negative in the high to low here as well. So bearish divergence is strong. So not sure why GME is there, but it's finding support of the 20, so it's not bad. It managed to close above the 20 still. People were getting alerts from price at 500. I'm not sure, man. Trading wise, yeah, it looks okay. I mean, this kind of makes sense considering that we popped so much that we're getting, some pullback. We're trying to gain footing. We need to flag a little bit, consolidate this level before we pop up again, I guess. What's up, Elon? How's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Again, guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell. That's join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. I think the wick was wow. It halted. All right. Weird though, right? To see a halt, you need to go to the minute, and then you'll see where it halted. Usually when it halts, I think it breaks There are massive moves. So I'm trying to see if it halted, but I'm not seeing it here. I think I'm jumping through time. I don't see that halt. We'll see. Maybe here towards the end. 37. All right. Yeah. Not sure. It's weird. Nice. Back to the corn. Back to the corn it is. Oh, look, it's a 1 minute corn. It's a pumping. Oh, look at that. We're going to try to retake 47,338 on strong bullish divergence. Oh, my goodness. It's a pump. CBA, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Come on, get over it. Get over it, Bitcoin. You can do it. You have 9 minutes to go and push through. Plow through that 47,138 resistance. Let's go 1 minute. See what we're doing there, man. Oh no, we're starting to create strong bearish divergence. It's gonna put pressure on the price in 1 minute. Ah, Bitcoin's doomed. It's never gonna reach it. I'm kidding. I am kidding. Apecoin went ballistic today. I'm kidding. I'm not sure what Apecoin did. We gotta go check out Ape, I guess, the daily. Let's go to Ape. A pair coin. Ape, $13.30. Did we pop? We haven't. Cup and handle played. We're still dropping. Oh no, we're below that 50% retrace. Oh, what are we doing, man? Well, man, not a lot here in the daily. Not what we can do. 4 hour. Oh no, we had that semi flag formation that we broke to the downside. Went to 20. Felt the whole support. Rejected $14.35. We used to be the neckline for the cup and handle, and then we moved farther down. So we know this area is working as a resistance now. Great. Hitting bullish divergence, right? But that's about it. There's really not a lot going on here. They'll tell us, yo, my friend, their support. Yeah, I think the play happened already here, right? Cup and handle, quick pop, didn't go for a big move. But also didn't have a lot of history, so, you know, I'm kind of glad that we kind of caught this and talked about it before it happened. Let's go to 1 hour. We're going with 10K on the corn. Oh, Elon, why so pessimistic? I hope you missed a zero and you meant to say 100K on the corn. Bitcoin is doomed. Oh, I'm kidding, dude. Bitcoin's not doomed. It's doomed. Doomed. I'm kidding. Bullish divergence strong. There is a hope for Apecoin. We could pop and hit that 20 moving average at $13.87. That is the target. Above there, $14.35. Not really a lot going on here, right? No quirky patterns, nothing cool. Waiting for something to develop. Besides divergence. So that's what we're going with. Daily, like I said, not a lot. So just watch out, man. I mean, if you sold when we talked about, you know, taking profits or whatever. Talked about this pattern. We talked about going at 50%. I explained what my strategy looks like. So I talked about taking profits at different levels. How you would play the, you know, once you run through, when you take profits. You take profits when it hits and rejects. You take profits when it plows through and it comes back to back test. Here again, 100% was a good area to take profits. If you didn't take it on the way up, could have taken them on the way down. You would have missed on some profits, but at least you would have kept around 7% from the entry level, which 7% is still freaking awesome profits, man. You know, considering that a lot of assets don't do 7% a day, so you could have taken that 7%. You know, it took only a couple of 4-hour candles to develop. So we talked about it before, that 50% retrace, something like this, I think. So up to here, man. Right? You could have on 2 days and 12 hours, you could have had 7%. Don't sell everything. Don't sell everything. Bitcoin's not doing. Bitcoin's actually on track to do pretty good. We have you know, that pattern that we talked about in the daily. Here we broke that short-term trend. That triangle. Go to the upside. Here's the short-term trend that we broke out of, right, and going short-term bullish after that. So very good shift in trend that we got there. And again, here double bottom hit target. Now we're going for that move to that 54,300s, right? 54,327, somewhere around there. It's a fairly close number to where we could be hitting But for that to happen, we need to get above 47,338. Is it going to be the day? Are we going to have a red day? I kind of want a red day, not because I want the market to be bad. I just want the market to get a break. What do I mean by that? Okay, so here was kind of balanced, right? Some red, green, red, green, red, green, green, red, red, green. Then we just had like 8 greens in a row. Have not really gotten a lot of relief. That makes me worry a bit, right? Makes me worry a bit. Because that means that when we get pullback, it's going to be coming with a little bit more strength. So we got to blow off pressure, but we got to do it slowly, right? That way the pressure will build and we're able to run higher. MIR, sure. Why not? Why not? Mer at $1.83. You're getting at 67 cents. You're doing beautifully here, man. You probably hit divergence, popping on that. Going for at 236. I can't remember when we looked at this, but we had that hit divergence. I'm sure we didn't look at this yesterday, maybe 2 days ago, maybe yesterday. I'm not sure if we were popping already. Nice rally, 11%. Rejection off the 236. Nothing bearish, right? High to low, positive is positive, high to low, sold, neutral at 58.45. So that's it. I mean, here it's good. Here, no complaints. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, $1.67. I thought you were getting 67 cents. So I was like, yeah, you're doing great here, man. Right, hidden divergence, popping on that. We had the bearishness, dropped for a candle, then we recovered. So when we were looking at this, it was probably somewhere around here. Maybe this candle when we were live, I can't remember precisely which candle it was. We'll get that very nice pop. Look at that, man. That's beautiful, man. That's a very nice pop. We got rid of this divergence to some extent, but we created some other divergence that I'm going to highlight here in a second. This divergence I usually don't like to trace because it's just happening over 3 candles. You usually want to have a little bit more beef in between divergences. Like you want to be a little bit stronger, right? Not just like 3 candles into the pattern and then break down. But we're still trying to pop and we're still holding right now. So right now I'm doing okay. Nothing bearish afterwards. Bought at 62.07. Let's go to that 1 hour and see what happened there. What happened there? High to low, positive, high, low. There's nothing bearish here. Bearish divergence strong against the RSI. Dude, Andrew, man, I would say set up a stop loss. You could try to run still, right? You could try to run still, and I could definitely see this running and see it above that 236 right here at $1.86. But just play smart, right? Because we know we're gonna have some kind of confluent resistances, right? So this is targeting this here, which is that 50% retrace on this larger move, right? So here we went high to low, and then we're going low to high to see where we're at. So again, we could be going for the 100% retrace, which is going to be very, very close to that 618. And this kind of matches up. This 236 close to that 50. That 382 is where that 282 is at, and then the 618 is where that 236 is at. So this what gives us is some shorter targets that we could go for. So if this breaks below that $1.71, you could be looking for a drop to $1.58. But that does manage to hold here and still tries to pump. Definitely going above the 236 at 1.86 could have you target somewhere up here at 2.11, right? $2.11. So I think we don't have a lot going on besides the hidden divergence. 4 hour chart again. Bearish move down, nothing afterwards, and then on the 1 hour, yes, we were having this sort of motion here. That thing here is this going to be a cup and handle? I have to measure. It is 12%. You should want 30%. Before that first move. So from low to high, we didn't get that 30%. Man, could we do it to the wicks? No, that wick's too high. I was willing to call it to the lips at the heights, at the bodies, because they're kind of close, but that wick's definitely too high. This could play as a cup and handle, although if this is going to be a cup and handle, it's not going to be a textbook one. And we are hitting very close to 50%. Right, look at that 50% retrace, right? Again, that handle formation is starting to form. If this to be a cup and handle, it could pop. Take targets from the high to the low and take targets to the upside at the 1618, 2618, and 3618. Those could be good targets upon breaking here. Neckline again, that was gonna be 3%, 8%, and 15% gains. You could even go to that 4618. It's still within the possibilities. 20%. This move usually targets 31%, 33% rallies. So if it is gonna play a cup and handle, it could go higher, but it's not a textbook cup and handle because we're not rallying 30%. Might not go as high, so just be careful and have some good targets. And also set up a stop loss if you're really worried about your position here. Set up a stop loss where you still preserve wealth, and then just don't come break even after exchange rates or whatever they're gonna charge you, right? MIR would have run. I'm glad you made money, man. That's what the game's about, making money. All right, so Bitcoin, hour closing. Do we manage to reclaim? No, we're rejected. Very close, very close. Remember I told you it was bearish divergence in the 1 hour? Sorry, in the 1 minute. Look at it, it was here. Talked about it, coming up higher, coming lower, else here, right? Higher, lower. Yeah, we moved below the 20 in the 1 minute. Bitcoin's gonna burn. Man, waiting for moving up. Still. Right, so we have that hidden diverge. Sorry, that's strong bullish. She gets to a 20 and then some. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands came in, started to expand them to the downside, but I hope we can counter it with the bullish divergence that we're developing. It's not the best bullish divergence, not going from one island to the next. It's within the same island. So with that, I mean, it might not play as strong. Again, guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell. So join us on the Discord, right? Links have been out pinned at the top of the chat. Now, what else? What else? I think it's gonna be it for tonight. I think we're gonna be calling it an early stream, sorta. I'm only live for 45 minutes, but there's some work stuff I need to finish today. I've just been super overloaded. They fired someone at work, and I'm picking up some of that slack, and it's just really messing around with the way I usually used to do things. So now I have to carry on someone else's things while they hire someone. If they hire someone, we don't know yet. Usually in this company, they just fire someone, they just assign stuff to everyone else, and everyone's overloaded now with work, but we shall see how things go. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, the sub. You join us on the Discord. Links have gone out in the top of the chat. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.